Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex price action courses. Do they work? And if they do, which is the best? That's a question that we're frequently asked. The answer is none of the Forex price action courses I've seen online contain techniques that are going to help you make consistent profits from the markets. And there are a lot of price action courses, but you'll notice they've all got one thing in common, or the teachers do. They will not give real-time trades, entry, stop and target in advance to prove that their techniques work. Why? Because they don't work. Now, in terms of why they don't work, I've done a full explanation in a video beneath this one. It's all to do with what's called the clustering illusion. And the clustering illusion is when you see order going backwards, but that order would not be obvious going forwards. Now, in terms of price action trading, it is very popular with beginners and retail traders. No professional trader is going to use pure price action alone. Now, don't get me wrong, I am a big fan of technical analysis, but you've got to have some view of the sentiment and fundamentals behind the chart to make your technical analysis effective. And obviously, well, not obviously, but we do a course in doing this, and unlike the price action traders, we're quite happy to give all our trades in advance: entry, stop and target. And in terms of a lot of retail traders and beginners, they get fooled by how easy a chart looks in hindsight, and that's what the price action teachers take advantage of, because anyone can make money going backwards on a chart or with vague advice. And you very often see price action traders say, well, if it goes up, we're going to buy it. If it goes down, we're going to sell it. They're right after the event. They didn't have to place the exact entry, put the stop in, manage the trade. And I think, in terms of traders coming in the markets, they should think about price action trading and why it is so popular and why it actually fails. Because it's so popular because it gives the illusion that anyone can just come into the market, spot some patterns, which price action traders will tell you are high odds trades, and make money with no real independent thinking. Well, you're in a competitive business. 90% of traders lose money. So you're going to have to do some independent thinking. That shouldn't be anything to be intimidated by. Forex trading is essentially simple, okay? But it's not easy, and it's not as easy as just looking at a chart and then, oh, I'm going to make money from it. And price action traders who sell their courses and their training can't actually do it. If they could and they were confident in their strategy, you would see their trades. Who would want to prove that what they're teaching actually does work? Price action traders don't. Buying a price action trading course from someone who doesn't give real trades is really just like learning to drive from someone and you don't know that they've passed their test. Of course you're going to check they've passed their driving test. When beginners come in the markets and buy a price action course, they don't actually think, has this guy actually traded? Where is the proof? Just buy the training or the course and they end up disappointed. I think, in terms of price action trading, one thing I would say is it did work many years ago before the internet. In those days, you had smoother trends, okay? There wasn't so much noise about. Today, markets are much more noisy than they were, let's say, 30 years ago, when price action trading actually made money. And when I first started trading, you could make money with price action trading. Today, you cannot do so. You need to have a knowledge of the sentiment and fundamentals behind the chart. And in terms of, when we're doing our technical analysis, it's so simple because we've got a directional bias from the fundamentals and sentiment behind the chart. That is where the chart comes from. The chart doesn't come out of nowhere, move to some higher mystical order. It comes directly out of what traders think of the fundamentals. And basically, they're very unpredictable. Price action trading courses, I would save your money unless you can actually find a price action trader who actually gives their trades in real time and actually proves that they can make money over time with their techniques. But I think if you search for a teacher who does that, you'll be searching a long time, because I haven't found one, and I doubt if you will either. I think, yeah, if you want to trade Forex, you're serious about trading Forex, yes, technical analysis has its place and it can be very effective, but only if you've got some knowledge of sentiment and fundamentals behind the charts to give you a directional bias with your technicals. So I hope you found the video useful. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care and have a good day.